Alright, this is the Rolling Grill, and we're back again with the Lang 36. We got about 3 pieces of salmon we're getting ready to smoke off for some sandwiches for us. And again, we're cooking on a Lang. But when you look inside this cooker, we got 40 hamburgers in here smoking and grilling over pecan wood, my friend. 40 hamburgers in a Lang 36. And we got some rice cooking on the back of the firebox. 40 burgers, pecan wood, and heat. Here we go. Look at that, my friend. Listen to that sizzle. 40 hamburgers. You can get them from Sam's Club, 40 in a box. 40 hamburgers inside a Lang 36. We not only use it for competitions, we also cook on it. This is how we do. This is what we do. We get down. Look at that drip. Look at that. Look at that coming off of that. Look at that. That's cooking, my friend.